I'll start by accessing the cashier system now. I've added the products I have. I'll click, for example, Quick Checkout and print.
Today, we'll continue our cashier training course for beginners and provide you with valuable tips and technical skills that will benefit you in your work, God willing. Welcome to the Code 7 software channel. In the previous video, we learned the basics of working as a cashier and how to confidently and professionally take the first step. We will be demonstrating the Code 7 software cashier program and will provide solutions to all the everyday problems you might encounter. Please, if you benefited from this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell icon to receive the rest of the tutorial. Your support through likes and shares encourages us to continue publishing this valuable content. Now, let's begin with God's blessings. Behind the cash register, you are the face of the place. Your smile and composure are your strongest weapons, especially with angry customers or during peak hours. Welcome. One of the most stressful things is the long customer queue. Today, I will teach you how to coordinate your hand movements between the scanner and the screen to reduce the checkout time by half. Follow along with these daily skills in the life of a successful cashier. Secondly, how to deal with duplicate items. When adding a duplicate product, the program will give you a warning that the product has been added to the checkout. Thirdly, many of you have asked me how to delete a product. After adding the item to the invoice, select the product as shown, then click this red button to easily delete it. Fourth, quickly search for items without barcodes, such as vegetables or bread. Fifth, when making a return, scan the product and remove it from the current invoice, or adjust the quantity to decrease it if it's from a previous invoice. Sixth, ensure you have the correct number of items on the invoice by practicing counting them in your memory while scanning the barcode and verifying the number on the screen. Seventh, it's recommended to use a cashier system that prevents printing the invoice until payment is complete, such as the Code 7 cashier software system. Eighth, print the invoice and hand it to the customer with a smile and a word of thanks. Let the customer review the invoice thoroughly before leaving. Ninth, if the customer tells you there is a mistake, accept it calmly and carefully review the invoice and products again. 10th, always check the printing paper and make sure you have a spare sheet before starting work. Your support through likes and shares encourages us to continue publishing this valuable content. Now, let's begin. Always remember the importance of accuracy first, then speed. Don't rush to give the customer change before double-checking the amount. Give it to the customer with a smile and a, here you go. Honesty is the capital of a successful cashier. Keep your drawer organized. Place large bills in a designated place and coins in their designated compartments. Always be vigilant for every payment transaction and ensure you receive the full amount before closing the transaction on the system. Don't just know the basics. A successful cashier is always looking for keyboard shortcuts and learning how to handle different payment methods. A cashier is not a machine. It's not just about recording, it's about being a mini consultant who knows where the daily offers are hidden. Before you can speak, your upright posture, direct eye contact, and genuine smile tell you that you're ready to help. Don't force the customer to buy. Instead, suggest something to complement their experience. When you tell them that the adjacent product is suitable, the system may be slow, but your memory must be fast. A successful cashier memorizes the prices of basic products. A cluttered counter contributes to distraction, and a successful cashier knows that organization is the foundation of speed and accuracy. They prioritize the most suitable customers and maintain an organized work environment. The cashier doesn't work in isolation, but is a link in a complete service chain, communicating smoothly with colleagues and even management, accurately conveying their observations. You don't have to be right, but you need a trained cashier who notices subtle differences in banknotes or unusual purchasing behaviors. Not every day is easy, and some customers arrive burdened. A successful cashier doesn't take things personally, but listens patiently. Your support through likes and shares encourages us to continue publishing this valuable content. Now, Let's begin with God's blessings. Customer data, cost prices, and colleagues' mistakes are not topics for discussion outside of work. A successful cashier maintains the confidentiality of information as if it were a personal trust. They remember the name of a regular customer, congratulate them on special occasions, and genuinely ask about their day. These small details transform a casual visit into a shopping habit. They notice product shortages before a customer even asks about them, check expiration dates before displaying items, and prepare in advance for peak hours. A successful cashier doesn't wait for mistakes, but catches them early. The market changes, technologies are constantly evolving, and customer expectations rise daily. A successful cashier doesn't rely on past experience, but seeks out system updates. Now, we will show you how to add products using barcodes in just 10 seconds on the system. Code 7 software. Follow along. I'll start by accessing the cashier system now.
I've added the products I have. I'll click, for example, Quick Checkout, and print. Then I'll go to a new invoice. If you've made it this far, you really want all the valuable information about the cashier system and to learn the skills of a successful cashier. We promise to always provide you with information, tips, modern methods, and advanced skills in the field of cashiering. Therefore, I will show you in just 20 seconds how to create a manual invoice without a barcode scanner on the Code 7 software cashier. Follow along. Now we'll access the beautiful cashier screen.
As soon as you click on an item, the item and quantity appear, along with the price you previously saved. Of course, you can change the quantity. If you click on the 1 button, you can enter the quantity you want. For example, if I want to make 3, and then click Done, the quantity and total will change. Your support through likes and shares helps us continue publishing this valuable content. We are always updating our software and using artificial intelligence to provide the best services to our followers, so that we always meet their expectations. We are currently working on improving the user experience and using modern and attractive templates in our programs to provide better service to our clients worldwide. You can learn more about our free and paid services on our social media platforms, including YouTube, Facebook, and our website, Code 7 Software. Links are below. We respond to all comments, so please leave a comment below the video to let us know how much you appreciate this content and encourage us to continue producing more, God willing.
Here is a collection of valuable videos on cashier training for beginners, which you can watch now via the links above. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications to receive all our new content.